I created an online collaboration platform which can be accessed by multiple people via their web browser without the need for installing any additional plugins. In this video, I will be explaining the different capabilities of the platform that I developed. To create a new room, the user simply has to browse to localhost port 3000/room1. If the room with that name already exists, it asks the user to enter the password set for that room. If a room doesn't exist, then it creates one and asks the user to set a password for the room. Once the room has been entered into, the system prompts the user to enter his username. Once the user enters their name, they are taken to the collaboration platform. Another user can also join this same room by browsing to the URL localhost port 3000/room1 and entering the password set by the person who created the room. Live sketching allows users to sketch something on the whitespace provided in the platform. Anything sketched by a user is shared with all users in real time, thus behaving like an online whiteboard. Users can use the chat feature to quickly send a message to everyone in the room. If users of the room want to collaboratively write something, they can use the collaborative text box, which works somewhat like Google Docs. Users can upload images to their account on the platform and access those images across all rooms they are a part of, now or later. The images once uploaded are displayed in the file manager at the bottom of the screen. Using the file manager, users can view, download, delete, or share the image with other users on the platform. The image can be viewed inside the system itself in the form of a floating box which can be dragged across the screen. To share an image, the user simply hovers on the icon of the image in the file manager and clicks on share. A notification then pops up on the screens of all the other people connected to the platform. This notification allows users to either save the file to their account on the system or to download the file directly to their computer, or to simply ignore the notification by clicking on close. Users on the platform can also watch YouTube videos together simply by entering the URL of the video that they want to watch. Once they enter the URL, it gets saved in the file manager. To watch the video, the user hovers over the icon of the video in the file manager and clicks on watch. She can watch the video privately, or she can watch it with others by clicking on watch together. Once she clicks on watch together, the video immediately starts playing in sync on other participants' screens as well. Audio files uploaded by users can also be listened to in collaboration with other participants if need be. At any time, if a user wants to share the audio that she is listening to with other participants, she simply has to click on the Listen Together button. Spontaneously, a player will open up on the participants in that room and they will begin to hear the audio in sync with her.